Good morning, it's Brian at Fitzpatrick's Garage, Dublin Road, Kildare. I want to show you this really nice 2017 9-speed automatic CRV, and this is the EX model, so it's the highest model available in them. This car has just landed in with us and it is in seriously tidy condition. Just in case you're wondering who we are, Fitzpatrick's Garage is in Kildare town. You've got Maxall here, you've got Honda, you've got Hyundai. We're about 3 minutes from the Kildare Village shopping outlet just off the M7 motorway. There's Mercedes up there. There's also garages in Carlow, Tullamore and Naas. So if you, I suppose the garage is in operation for almost 70 years, so if you're spending a lot of money on an expensive car like this, you know that there's going to be an after-sales service. This car, as we were saying, one private owner from brand new, all original, all factory, real nice, tidy car. To put that into context, this is exactly how the car was traded in. It is a horrible day. Customer dropped it up last night. I've just given it a real quick power wash on the outside, obviously because there is traffic dirt from coming up the road. But in fairness, literally, this is how the car has arrived to us. It was the same with his last car. When it came in, it was absolutely stupidly clean. So anyway, in terms of the car itself, that is a 160 horsepower engine with 2 turbos, and it has a 9-speed automatic transmission on it as well. So it's a really nice car. EX automatic, that's the name of the spec. So 2017, the front significant features on the car were the nice garnish along the front bumper, chrome fog lights around, fog lamp in through there, nice chrome along the grille on both sides, which complement the daytime running lights, which wrap all the way around the headlamps. There is a xenon dipped headlamp, full headlamp in through here, and then these are little LED cornering lights as you turn right or left, they come on. Down the side of the car, it has a really nice diamond cut 18-inch alloy wheel, so you'll see the diamond cut effect, which is the reflective effect, so it looks quite nice when light is shining on it or when it is sunny. At the back, at the side of the car, the customer also added on these Honda side steps. So chrome comes standard around the window, but if you look at the car, there's chrome up here, brushed aluminium down here, same at the front of the bumper and same on the grille. Around here with the chrome surround, the roof rails up high, and I think actually that side step just finishes it off, because you have the chrome up here and brushed aluminium down there, same on the front, same up high here, so you need something to complement it down the side. So I think you made a good choice picking those wheels at the time. The boot is power tailgate, so it opens up automatically. Again, as I was saying to you, this is exactly how the car has come into us. I actually don't, do you know what, even our guys, I don't think we'll get it that clean. So it's really well looked after. Spare wheel in through there. Like, literally, if you come to look at a car like this, condition is so not an issue. Button up here, actually one other thing is that pops forward, and then on both sides you can drop the seats down like so they'll drop down automatically, so it's dead handy there. And then you got really massive load space overall. There's 12 volt in through here as well, and then after that we'll just cover this back up and we'll press the button for auto tailgate to drop down. Now you can do that from the key fob as well, so it's pretty easy to use. In terms of the rear of the car, just going to let this seat back up. Okay, so in terms of the inside, headrest up. Right. So, right angle door on the CRV makes it nice and easy to get in and out. Door cards are in absolutely immaculate condition. There is child lock back through here, electrics for rear windows. The floor is absolutely perfect. The seats are full black leather and they're absolutely perfect. 3 head restraints, 3 3-point safety belts, ISOFIX down here for child seat on this side and the other side. You can 100% get 3 child seats across the back of this car, but not 3 ISOFIX at the same time. In terms of the rear of the car for passengers, there's also ventilation in through here, and there's also kangaroo storage in the back of the rear seats. And then the nice thing, because it's executive, you have a big glass roof, so when you're sitting in the car, it's quite a nice place to be, because you are looking forward out through here and you have all this light coming in through here as well, so very nice. Okay, after that then, in terms of, my feet had put a bit of dirt on it. In terms of up front, you got things like electrics for windows, memory seats, so because this is electric to go backwards, forwards, upwards or downwards, moving this part forward and back, and then lumbar support for lower back in through here as well. So because the seats are electric, then you can set them from number 1 or number 2. So you get into the car, set the way you want, hit set along here. So if someone else drives the car, you hit number 1 and it goes back to the way that you desire overall. In terms of the inside, there is keyless entry on this car. So what I mean by that is I actually can't even find the key at the minute. Oh, where did I leave it? Okay, there. Key's there, but I could leave that in my pocket. So the significant things, because it is keyless entry, is that first of all, on the outside of the car, headlights are automated. By the way, when I say automated, they're automatic as in they turn on or off at night time when it gets dark. But also if you're driving along and you meet traffic in front of you, they'll dip, and then when you go back into country area, they'll go full again by themselves. So it's actually really, really handy. So really you're never touching it. So they've gone off there at the minute. If you unlock the car, they'll automatically come back on if you want. This is the key fob, so you leave this in your pocket. One thing you can do from it, which is pretty cool, if you got some awkward stuff with you, tailgate is powered from there, and then I can close it back down. But after that, I'm going to leave that in my pocket, and that means then if I walk up to the car, if I put my hand in through here, I can open the door, and then if I close the door, I just hit that button and walk away, and the car is after locking. So i.e. when I walk up to it, you can hear that, and it opens up. And then when I get into the car, I've got push button start. It sounds like a small thing, but it's so handy. Hit the button, and away she starts up. USB and auxiliary and all that kind of stuff down through there. HDMI if you want to play video up through the centre. There is nice 9-speed auto box, so we have cross-monitor traffic. So if someone's coming from that side, like it's actually after picking up that piece of traffic, it's picking up that piece of traffic again. So it's telling you, yeah, you got a problem over there. Right, after that then, how much, we have a normal wide display, we have a normal display, and then we have a straight looking downwards display if we want as well. So after that then, okay, that's a head wrecker. After that, just because we're parked, we're not going anywhere, there is not cross monitor, there is blind spot indicator. So basically I'm going to start it up again, but if I move across through here, hit the button along through there, if someone's coming up on your quarter panel, it'll warn you if you're going to change lane, or even if you're not going to change lane. Headlights we said are automatic, wipers are automatic, econ function down here which will make the cruise control and the air conditioner less aggressive, parking sensors front and rear, hill descent control, which obviously if you don't want to use the brakes, especially in the weather we had a couple of weeks ago, that's really, really handy. Traction control in through there, headlight washers up through there, lane change warning if you're drifting out of lane in through there. Up through here we have a iMid function over here, which is telling you things like average speed, fuel consumption, how much fuel is left in the tank, what kind of radio station is on, speed sign indicator. So if you are driving along and it picks up say a 70 zone or 60 or whatever it is, it'll flash up along here, and you have your as we were saying, cruise control and speed limiter in down through here. There's also a paddle shift, so I can go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, or I can go 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yes, that is right, there is 9 forward gears in this car. Heated seats up through here, power outlet again, auto stop start in through here. Heating controls on this side, so dual zone either side, front and rear windscreen demisters, and then Honda Connect up here, which is going to allow you to use navigation, telephone, audio, which is internet radio, and then there's trip information in there, and then we have other Android functions like browsers and calendars, and it's all touch and swipe, so very easy to use. Electrochromatic rear mirror, if someone drives up behind you, that's automatically going to darken itself. And unfortunately the rain is starting to kick in, so just to kind of summarise, this car is, as we were saying, 160 horsepower, 9 forward gears, €280 a year for road tax. Okay, realistic fuel efficiency, somewhere in the region of 40 to 45 miles per gallon, so you're going to be up around 6.5, 7.5 litres per 100 kilometres. That is realistic, that's driving it on, but that is enjoying the car as well. But then again, this is a 4-wheel drive, 9-speed, 160 horsepower engine setup, so I think that's very reasonable fuel efficiency for what it is. They're ultra reliable. These executive automatics, this is €50,000 brand new. This is an expensive car. So as you can see, the price we have it at now, there's a significant saving over a brand new one. So I guess, why would you buy a brand new one when you get a car that's been minded like this at a very discounted rate? Black with a black interior is quite rare. So many of them are black with beige. But I actually, on reflection, I always thought black with beige was lovely, but sitting in this, actually, I think I really like the black with black. After that, we can do trade-ins. No matter, like literally any car you have, no problem, we can take as a trade-in. And then if you want to finance a car like this, which most people do, we deal with all the major lenders, so we can give you competitive rates on stuff like that. These are an absolute riot to drive. The manual is a lovely in 160, but the automatic is really nice. And I go as far as saying actually the automatic is quicker off the line than the manual, and I traditionally wouldn't have said that, but because the gears are so short, because there's 9 forward gears, It really gets up through the gears very, very well. Anyway, if this is a car that's of interest, please do give me a call, 086 843 1945. If you know CRVs and you're looking for an EX Auto, this is absolutely 100% worth considering. If you don't know CRVs and you're just thinking about an SUV and you want something that's got a massive equipment level, it's really reliable, and you know what, they're not absolutely everywhere. That's what's lovely about these cars. They're a little bit different. Also, if you want a car that's easy to run but has all that capability, it's definitely worth trying. So anyway, Brian's my name, 086 843 1945. Thank you for taking time to watch. Hopefully this CRV is of interest to you.